son of a bitch. What the fuck? In this video, I'll quickly show you how to install a blind. To easily hang this blind, you will need a screwdriver or impact driver, and a tape measure, maybe. We're just going to do this the quick way. Open your box, remove the instructions. Get your hardware out. Alright, then you get your, these are the brackets that go up top. Put them on the frame of the window. We're not going to put them on the window part itself. These are your hold downs if you wanted to hold the blind. Right away you want to test fit it and to know if this is the front, which side's the front or the back, because this will have that. It's for a little one. Let's do that. Okay, that's a test fit. We like that. We're going to just set these right off that lip here. It says the best thing to do is go 3 inches off of each edge. So we'll just give a little mark, 3 inches right here. Mark in the lid, little impact. That's already a good mark right there. Okay. Probably should pre-drill the holes first, so you don't break the wood. We'll get it started. Put another one in there. Now we can slide it back and forth and tighten it to the right position. Beautiful. Good. You son of a and you're just popping it in. Snap. Push up. Push in and out. Center it if you care. There it is. Hey,